Dad, kanta ka rin!
Baby, ikaw lang gusto kong pakinggan eh. Ang galing-galing mo talaga, manang-mana ka sa akin tsaka sa mami mo.
Basta Daddy magiging singer din ako. Gaya niyo ni Mami, sisikat din ako.
Well, if that's what you want, anak, then go for it. Basta lagi mo lang tatandaan na hindi laging masaya yung mundong gusto mong pasukin. Minsan, masakit. Minsan, hindi patas. Kailangan lang lagi mo pa rin kilala kung sino ka, ha?
Promise, Daddy?
And you know what? Kahit saan ka man dali ng buhay na to, I'm always gonna be proud of you, anak.
Magiging proud ka lagi. Sasayaw nga ako sa school eh. Look, I learned a new dance step kanina. Tignan mo,
Wait
Daddy,
lang.
please.
Baby, wait lang ha. Daddy's driving. Wait lang.
Just one look, Daddy, please. Look,
Okay, quick lang ha. Go, anak. Oh, wow, look at those moves, anak!
Sorry, Dad. I'm so sorry.
Megan. What's wrong? Narinig kong binabanggit mo na naman ang daddy mo. Ha? Walang sisihin ang sarili mo, anak.
Kasalanan ko kung bakit nawala si Daddy.
Megan, hindi totoo yan. It was an accident. It was never your fault.
Kung hindi ko siya kinulit noon, hindi siya na-aksidente. Baka nandito pa siya ngayon.
Tama na.
Wala, bakit pa siya yung nawala?
Megan, I also asked the same question when I lost your dad. Pero alam mo, may mga bagay na pinanghihinayangan tayo. Like, at times when I just let him do it his way, when I thought I should have guided him more. The times when I thought we had another chance, but then it was too late. Wala na siya. At hindi na siya babalik pang muli. Tama na. Tama na, Meg.
Wala na nga si Dad. I-promise ako kay Daddy Lola. I promise him I'd make him proud. Pero pakiramdam ko parang wala naman akong magandang ginawa.
Don't say that.
Siguro kasi kasalanan ko kung bakit siya nawala.
Huwag mo sayangin yung pagmamahal ng daddy mo by being so tough on yourself. Stop punishing yourself.